Now I am going to say you about importance of World Food Day and food for needy people. World Food Day is the day of action dedicated to tackling global hunger. Held annually on 16th October, people from around the world come together to declare their commitment to eradicate worldwide hunger from our lifetime. Celebrating the creation of Food and Agriculture Organization (FAO), events are organized in over 150 countries across the world, making it one of the most celebrated days of the UN calendar. These events promote worldwide awareness and action for those who suffer from hunger and for the need to ensure food security and nutritious diets for all. The focus of the day is that food is a basic and fundamental human right. Yet, in a world of billions, over 820 million people worldwide suffering chronic undernourishment, 60% women and almost 5 million children under the age of 5 die of malnutrition related causes every day. It's also important to note that while millions go hungry, 672 million people suffer from obesity and the further 1.3 billion are overweight. We can change this. World Food Day 2018 focused on SDG 2 Zero Hunger with the theme of Our Action, Our Future. 8 reasons why zero hunger changes the world. 1. Zero hunger can save the lives of 3.1 children a year. 3.1 million children a year. 2. Well-nourished mothers have healthier babies with stronger immune systems. 3. Ending child undernutrition could increase a developing country's GDP by 16.5%. 4. A dollar invested in hunger prevention could return between $15 and $139 in benefits. 5. Proper nutrition early in life could mean 46% more in lifetime earnings. 6. Eliminating iron deficiency in a population could boost workplace productivity by 20%. 7. Ending nutrition-related child mortality could increase a workforce by 9.4%. 8. Zero hunger can build a safer, more prosperous world for everyone. Now, let us see about food for the needy people. The United Nations has set a goal of eradicating hunger and malnutrition by 2030. Although the prevalence of hunger is declined in recent years, the lack of access to adequate and nutritious food remains an insatiable challenge across the globe. Hunger is not merely due to a lack of food. The world produces enough food to feed the planet's 7 billion plus people. So, why are so many going hungry? People don't have the resources to grow or buy food, according to experts. Due to this, 30% of food going waste. One more last thing is, I request you, please donate the food who are in needy, who are not able to buy food. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Neha Credit from Talapadmati International School. Now, I am going to tell you about food production. Food production, as the name suggested, it is all about preparing food, in which raw materials are converted into ready-made food products for human use, either in the home or food product industries. Now, I am going to tell you about one of the food product, that is rice. It is an important part of national economy. India is a world's largest producer of rice, including white and brown rice. Now, I am going to show you some types of rices. This is one type of rice and this is another type of rice. This is known as fat rice. Once observe the type of rice. And this is known as thin rice. I think you find it some difference in it. Now, let me tell you the differences between two rices. Thin rice. This is known as thin rice. So, thin rice uses more chemicals in growth, whereas fat rice uses less chemicals in growth. And I think fat rice is good for health because it uses less chemicals in growth. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Haripriya from 9th grade. Now I am going to say you about how to save the food and help the people who are in need. Food for the Poor is an organization where it helps all the needy people by providing food. You can also help the poor people by providing food. Like, you can start a trust where all the people who need food. You can aim to redistribute the food for the people who are needed. If you have found any excess food in an event, wedding or any party, you can collect all the excess food from them and you can distribute them among the people who are needed. Make sure you have checked that the food is not spoiled and it is not refrigerated for the health of need people. Don't hesitate to collect the food from any party or events because you think that you are helping someone. With this, no food is wasted. Some facts prove that they found nearly 1 million plates of excess food and that is used for nearly 10 cities who lack food. So if you start a trust and help the needy people without wasting any food, you can nearly save 8 crore worth rupees food every year. So don't waste the food. If you have any excess food, you can also give it someone who is needed. Papayas are the good source of dietary fibers. Pears is also a good source of fiber which helps you in reducing heart diseases. Carrot. It contains an abundant source of vitamin A which helps you in reducing eye diseases and improves your eye vision. Beetroot helps you in reducing heart diseases and it increases the blood pressure. It increases the blood by reducing the chances of cancer. Let us know about some vegetables. Tomatoes. They are very rich in vitamin C and A and it also contains potassium and iron. Spinach. It has 2 calories per leaf. It contains fibers, proteins and etc. Like this, we have many fruits and vegetables which can give you with different types of nutrients and vitamins, proteins, etc. So we have to eat everything healthy to improve our immune system and make better immune system. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Yusuf from Talapadmati International School. So before 1 month, I have helped the poor people who are suffering from starvation. During COVID-19 pandemic, I saw many poor people who are sitting by roadside and suffering for food. When I saw them, I emotionally hurted and then I decided to give them food. When I helped poor people, I felt very happy. So if possible, I request you to help them and then say me how you felt. Thank you.